Hello and welcome everyone, and this is gonna show you here on this video on how I actually started to change first person agent handedness on Valorant. This is gonna be about start to show here everything about start with this kind of situation, which is gonna be about be really related over this place where we won't actually throw this video guys. So all you need to do is about follow this video. You can actually start to go starting with through what is going to be on. So all you need to do is about start follow this video. We can actually start to do real quick guys to start to go for usage of that. Start to click here on right top corner settings and then click on settings again on the middle. Now as you can see you're gonna have this account, you have accessibility, you have a mouse, you have a map, you have a privacy, and then start to scroll again, which is gonna be really user interface. You're gonna start to see this is gonna be really show player, new player tips. Nice. We have here first player handedness or first person handedness. You can click here on right or left, and then this is gonna be about to be shown. So that's all about to help you on this video.